My name's Ronnie.
And where are you from?
Oh, Milton, Florida.
Where'd you graduate? Where'd you go to school? Yeah.
Auburn, yeah.
That's right. And where's your degree in?
Textile engineering.
What is that?
Textiles is the clothes that you wear. You know, back when they had more industries in the United States. Now, about the time I got my degree of it, they were all leaving, going to Japan and other countries, Thailand, and making garments over there. So my degree, it helped me, I guess, but it didn't help me in the textile industry. 30 years, I just started this little old business, and I was in sales with another company, and I just got tired of it. And you go and you work a territory, and you build a territory, and then they'll find somebody else for less money, you know. And I just got tired of it, so I started this little old business in September of '88. And here I am, September of 2018, and
what is the
giving
business?
It up. The compost is. I was buying the mushroom compost from Quincy Farms and just reselling it and loading it and hauling it.
I bet you've met a lot of nice people over
I
there.
just thinking of that. There's a lot of folks that I've met, and a lot of them that's died. You know, all of a sudden you don't see them or hear from them anymore, and you wonder what happened to these people. You know,
so mushroom compost, I didn't realize it's been that big of a thing for that long.
Yeah, I was going through Quincy one day, and I had started making compost a little bit, and I was working with another company in sales, and I stopped at the Massey Ferguson equipment dealer over there, tractors and equipment. I was going to check on see what it cost to get equipment to grind up these leaves and all this carbon that I would use. And they said, well, why do that? I mean, I'd love to save the equipment. Why don't you go over here to Quincy Farms and just work out a deal with them? And so I did. And after about 2 weeks of talking to them, they gave me 4 counties: Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton County, and Escambia County as a dealer. And so that's how I got started. And they sold out. Quincy Farm sold out to the other folks, and so here I am. You know, they decided to shut her down. You know, I guess I don't know why.
Yeah. So you've been driving all over. I mean, I went to your house and picked it up once, and I met a great man with a chicken.
No, that's Bobby Joe. He's not with me anymore.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
He's done got old like me.
Yeah. So, but then you also deliver. So you've been delivering for a long time. And what are you going to do now? What are you going to do after today? This is your last load.
After today, I'm getting a boat ready to go fishing. That's what I'm going to start doing.
And you garden too, right? Because I know you were putting stuff up. You were dry freezing and stuff.
Freeze dry. I bought a freeze dry machine from Harvest Right, and I've got 40 chickens, and they produce those eggs every day. And I got to do something with them, so I freeze dry them, put them up, and if you do it right, you put them in, get it into an egg powder. You know, and it'll last 25 years. So, but there's other things you can freeze.
Any advice that you could give to kids as they're planning their career? Because obviously you started out in textiles and you found this. Have you loved this job?
Oh yeah, I love doing it. It's something that you enjoy doing, and by all means, whatever you do, get into something that you enjoy doing. You don't want to leave the house every morning dreading to go to work, you know. And don't get yourself in debt. You don't have to buy that big old house the first year, you know, out of school. You'll be a lot freer. You can get yourself enslaved to that house and that automobile.
What was your favorite thing about it?
Meeting the people. Every time you go to a resident's house to deliver the compost, they got their way of gardening, and they need to show you how they do it. And I always learn new things about gardening. By all means, learn to garden. That's survival. Is gardening. If you could fish, hunt, and grow, then you've got it made. So, and save the seeds. Get you some seeds. Get you some heirloom seeds. Put them in the freezer. I always have some put back.
Cool. Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Well, you're welcome.
Candles are lit up for you, and the whole world is singing happy birthday.
Go.
Happy birthday to you. Go.
You want me to turn this us off? I'll shut her off.
I don't like it.